Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Please try not to be too bothered with the air conditioner. Yes, it's summer and it's getting hot. And the dog, who has been caged up because she can't be trusted, she's still a puppy. I've come to you today because the kit has arrived. Therefore, first off, everything goes out tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning is Saturday, the 5th, I believe. No, today's the 5th. The 6th. Anyway, out of all the winners, Kay was the #1 winner, so she gets the kit. I'm going to show you everything that's in it and talk about it. The other 6 ladies, everyone has responded except Liz. Now, Liz has till today, because tonight, when I get these packages all downstairs, if she has not given me her address, she is not getting anything. I have one runner-up who I would like for her to reach out with her address. Her name is Sharon Tooch. So Sharon, if you're watching this, send me your address, because if Liz doesn't give me her address, I'm giving you her package. Now, the flannel has already been claimed. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get this paper. Now that I have an air conditioner and a fan in here, I got everything blowing in my face and blowing off the table, and I just took that wrapping off. All right, what was I saying? Oh, so the flannel and the purple. So somebody has asked for the purple, somebody has asked for the flannel. They got first choice, so I don't have those 2 options out of what I have left. If y'all are watching the video and you see it, if one of you want to claim something specific you saw, let me know, and I'll give that package to you. And like I said, I'm mailing them tomorrow. So if Liz does not get back with me, and if she can't remember, she needs to go watch my video where everybody was saying they wanted it, because everybody that actually made a comment, they're getting something extra. And I showed all that already. So let's go ahead. Let me give you an idea of what's happening here with this. So we have, don't forget now, we have the long arm quilting service in Fort Worth Fabric, Texas. And that is going to be, let me show you, Laurie. This is her paperwork. Let's put it up there so you can see her information. You need to stop the video and write it down. Do that. Or you can give her a call too. And I'm trying to see. I haven't received an email telling me when this is going. Now, I think I'm having issues with my email to them because they didn't get one of my emails. But let's take a look at the panel that came with it. So let me open this up. If I can get part of it shown. I have 2, 4, 6. All right, so let's show 2 at a time. All right, here is 2 of them. 2 more. And then the last 2. Right here. So you're getting that. I'm guessing at this point, but I think we're going to be using those panels somewhere within the quilt. I don't know if, I haven't been on the Facebook yet, so I don't know if they've went ahead and talked about when it's coming out. I haven't had time. I'm trying to get this video up today so I can get this edited and get it out this morning here. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Oh my gosh. Box just fell on me back there. Oh my goodness, this is pretty too. I am so happy with these colors, y'all. Look at that. Can you imagine having a garden with those flowers in it? That'd be absolutely beautiful. And then the binding is this, which is that real pretty dark blue with the stars. You know, that fabric, so when you look at it from a little bit of a distance here, it looks like, and I don't know if you can get that effect in the camera, but it looks like these little stars are all embroidered. And that's the way it looks. When you get your fabric, you'll see it. And then here is a really pretty red, deep red gingham. And then we have a blue. Absolutely beautiful colors. This quilt is going to be gorgeous. And then we have the blue, well, let's look at this texture in this blue. See that texture? All right, now that is the same texture, which I don't know if you can see it on camera, but with our white, there you go, you can see it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lay them down. I'm probably gonna go over there because I have got so much stuff that I still haven't put on a video yet over here on my table. So this is the first time I'm actually working on a video where I have started the video, said some things, and then I've stopped it. I went ahead and I edited it and I stopped it. I haven't saved it yet because I have some other stuff that had not come, but I want to go ahead and get that one started, and I'm going to go back and add to it each time. So let me go ahead and take this around the other side of the table, and I'm going to show it to you laid out. All right, here it is all laid out. There's that pretty, looks like it's got embroidered. I really like that. And I am so glad that that's on the binding. Can you imagine? That is going to be gorgeous on that binding. Alrighty, so let me lay the panel down. Hold on, because I'm going to do two, I think I can get 4 in one picture. Let me check real quick. I couldn't get 4 of these squares, but there's one of them. Let me see the side so we can see it. So that says, bless our home, land that I love, America, God bless America, faith, family, freedom, and Old Glory, 1776. In the next video, which will be the beginning, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how I've marked them after I've have the information, because you know I lay it out and I mark it like A, whatever fabric, the first fabric, which is the background, which is the white, I've marked A, so I can show you how I set that all up before we do it. I appreciate everybody that's watched my videos and have subscribed and made comments. I feel like we're a little community. I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I don't have an issue with it. I'm not out to make the money and all that, which a lot of people are all about that. That's not me. Anyway, because I still work full time, and you know, I don't need money from YouTube. It's not that important. Therefore, moving forward, I will add to my other video, because I did get something else in the mail yesterday. I'm getting something today that I'm quite surprised. I'll tell you that in a video too. That'll be a separate video because that's a different company. But I'm waiting for some more stuff from the Fort Worth Fabric Studio company that I have ordered. So, and I'm going to show that all on the video so that you all know where I'm getting it, because I know that sometimes people want to know where did I purchase something specifically, because they would like to get the same exact thing, and that is fine. Over there, get your pattern or your kits from the Fort Worth Fabric Studio so you can sew along with me, and I believe Stephanie's doing it also this year, and then you too will have yourself a little quilt. I'm going to actually, I think, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to put this on the wall or what I'm going to do with it. I don't really have like a big old table I can put it on. Right now my dining room table is full of stuff, so I wouldn't even be able to see it if I put it on my table. So I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, comment if you would like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.